If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs don't feel the way they used to, if they feel heavier, weaker, sore for no clear reason, if standing too long, climbing stairs, or even walking short distances now feels exhausting, please don't ignore that feeling. Because what I'm about to share may explain why this is happening, and it's probably not what you think. Today, we're talking about something shocking. Two vitamins that many seniors take every single day believing they're helping their health, but may actually be weakening their legs. And that's not all. Certain everyday foods, things that feel harmless, familiar, comforting, may be quietly draining strength from your legs, joints, and muscles. The most frightening part? These dangers are hiding in plain sight, in your kitchen, in your medicine cabinet, in your daily routine. Every bite, every pill could be feeding the weakness you feel. But here's the good news. Once you understand what's really happening, you can stop the damage and start protecting your strength, balance, and independence. So stay with me until the end, because the two worst vitamins are coming, and they may completely change how you look at supplements. Let's start with something many people underestimate: sugar and sugary desserts. Sweets feel comforting. They remind us of celebrations, family, and joy. But after 60, sugar becomes a quiet enemy to your legs. Refined sugar fuels chronic inflammation, especially in muscles and joints. Over time, this inflammation makes your legs sore, stiff, and weak. Sugar also disrupts insulin, which muscles rely on for energy. When muscles don't get energy, they shrink and weaken. And let's not forget weight gain. Every extra pound puts more stress on your knees, hips, and calves. For aging legs already losing muscle, this extra load accelerates decline. Too much sugar also reduces blood flow. Poor circulation means tired, aching, heavy legs. That slice of cake may feel harmless, but over time it can quietly steal your strength. Fried foods. Fried foods are everywhere. Fries, nuggets, donuts. But after 60, they become especially damaging. These foods are loaded with unhealthy fats that increase inflammation and thicken blood vessels. This makes circulation worse, especially to the legs. Poor blood flow means tired, aching, heavy legs. Fried foods are also calorie-dense but nutrient-poor. They drain energy instead of building muscle. Many people notice their legs feel more sore and sluggish after eating them, and that's not a coincidence. Switching from frying to baking, steaming, or grilling is one of the simplest ways to protect your mobility. White bread and refined grains. White bread spikes blood sugar quickly, then crushes it just as fast. These swings leave muscles without stable energy. Over time, this contributes to muscle loss, especially in the legs. White bread also lacks fiber, protein, and minerals needed for muscle repair. It fills your stomach but starves your muscles. Whole grains, when paired with protein and healthy fats, are far gentler on your legs and energy. Alcohol. After 60, alcohol hits harder and lasts longer in the body. It blocks absorption of magnesium, calcium, and vitamin D, nutrients your legs depend on. Alcohol also dehydrates muscles, slows repair, increases inflammation, and promotes weight gain around the belly, putting extra pressure on the legs. If you've ever woken up sore and heavy-legged after drinking, that's your body asking for relief. Processed meats and ultra-processed foods. Bacon, sausages, instant noodles, packaged snacks. They're convenient but costly. These foods are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and chemicals that promote inflammation and fluid retention. Swollen legs, stiffness, heaviness, all common signs. They also reduce circulation and interfere with muscle energy use. Replacing them with simple, whole proteins can make your legs feel lighter within weeks. Now, pay close attention, because we're approaching the most important part of this video: the two most harmful vitamins for leg strength when taken incorrectly. Second worst, too much vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential, but excess vitamin A, especially from supplements, can be dangerous after 60. Too much can cause muscle pain, weakness, difficulty walking, and trouble standing from a chair. It also blocks absorption of magnesium and calcium, which muscles need to contract and relax properly. In addition, excess vitamin A weakens bones, increasing fracture risk in hips and legs. Most people already get enough vitamin A from food. Supplementing without guidance is where the danger begins. The worst offender: too much vitamin D. This one surprises many seniors. Vitamin D is important, but too much of it can weaken muscles instead of strengthening them. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, meaning it builds up in the body. Excess leads to high calcium levels, which cause muscle stiffness, cramps, burning sensations, and weakness, especially in the legs. It can also calcify soft tissues, making muscles and tendons less flexible. High doses taken without blood tests or supervision can even strain the kidneys, worsening leg swelling and fatigue. More is not better. Balance is everything. The takeaway: weak legs after 60 are not inevitable, but they are often the result of hidden daily choices, foods and supplements taken with good intentions. By reducing inflammatory foods, by choosing real, nourishing meals, and by using vitamins wisely instead of blindly, you give your legs a chance to recover, strengthen, and support you again. Your independence matters, your mobility matters, and your body is still listening. If this video helped you, subscribe. This channel exists to help you age with strength, confidence, and dignity. Take care of yourself. Your legs are worth protecting.